Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make something anybody can make, and it's always amazing to me because people sometimes think this is a difficult thing to make. But this is going to be holiday cranberry sauce. Now the reason I call it holiday is because people have it at Christmas, people have it at Thanksgiving, probably more at Thanksgiving. This is so simple to make. It's only got a few ingredients. We've got cranberries. I'm going to take about half this bag, probably about 16 ounces. This is a 32-ounce bag. A cup of regular granulated sugar, a cup and a half of water, and 1 orange. Few fresh oranges here. This is in our yard, and I'm picking this one right here. So Sharon, do you know what year these cranberries were first jellied and became a sauce? 1900. No. Earlier.
1870.
Later.
1900.
1912.
Hey!
Do you know where they were first jellied?
Alabama.
Yeah, these cranberries are from, they're from the north, so it'd be really North Alabama. Okay, yeah, you're close. Massachusetts. They took the bruised cranberries because they couldn't sell those, and they decided to boil them down until they got thick because they have a lot of pectin in them, and that's how they came up with jellied cranberry sauce that people eat today.
The good stuff in the can.
Well, and the can, what year did that start?
Oh, that's different.
Well, it's different.
1954.
In the ballpark. 1951. No, 1941. 1941, cranberry sauce became jellied in the can, where you take the knife around, you plop it out, make that sound that everybody's familiar with, and then you slice it off as you go. That's it. We're making much better stuff. We're going to cut this in about 6 pieces. Pull the seeds out if there are very many, but don't worry about it too much. It's not going to change much. There's only 1 seed in this thing. So we're going to do this. We're going to grind this first because this is going to be tougher because of the skin. I've rinsed these cranberries, and we're going to put these in. Now, you don't have to chop these to death, okay? And we'll put the sugar in last once we put it in the pot. We're going to take a spatula and get all this pulled out. A cup of sugar. So we cooked this for boiled it lightly, for about 10 minutes. We've got it in the bowl now. We're going to let this cool down, and then we're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for at least a night. This will congeal right now, but I'm still going to try a taste right now just to see how tart this is, and it's got a little sweet to it. So we're going to just try a little bit of this right now. That's good. It's got the sweetness. It's got the tartness. Kind of makes your mouth pull together. It's a nice taste. This is going to be great. And when it's cold, it's going to be fantastic.
That is good. Oh, it's like a full bite.
Burn your mouth. Whoa, look at this thing.
You go first and tell me if it's too hot.
It's not too hot.
No, it's not bad. Ooh, that's good.
Oh, but it's really good.
Oh, it's really good.
Guys, it's really good.
Do try this because it's very, very simple. This is holiday cranberry sauce. Thanks for watching.